Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul Meaches Paul, your local realtor and guide to South for living, and welcome to Valencia Lakes. All right, so we are in Valencia Lakes. This community was built by GL Homes, and it is a 55 and older community. It has a very nice gated entrance, which most GL communities do. They're known for their entrances. And this particular property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with 2,081 square feet under air. It has a 2-car garage, is built in 1998, and it is priced at $724,900. And it's absolutely beautiful inside. Wait until you see the primary bathroom. All right, we're inside, so let's take a tour. By the way, I also wanted to mention that the monthly HOA for this community, now it can vary. I've seen 2 different prices. I guess it might depend on the section or maybe the house, but the monthly HOA here is $665. And there are no assessments, it was all paid. And the clubhouse, which we'll go up and take a look at, is brand new. It was finished about a year ago. And speaking of brand new, this home has a roof that was installed in 2024. So there you go. But look, freshly painted, these beautiful tile floors. This is one of the bedrooms. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. As we come in here, check out this bathroom. Really did a nice job. Honestly, when I walk through this, it looks like some of the brand new models that you find at some of the other GL properties, some of the other Valencias, like Valencia Grand, which is about maybe 3 years old now. Now, some of the homes, because I've sold one in here before, will say that they are 3-bedroom, 2-baths, but they'll have a den like this without a closet. Technically, that is not a bedroom. It is a den. It needs to have a closet to be considered a bedroom. This one does. So, and it has pocket sliders, therefore, it is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It is a bedroom. You have your washer and dryer right over here with the little, I call them a slop sink, whatever you want to call them. Great for rinsing out stained clothes and whatnot. If you come out here and you turn on the light, it pops on, but let's give it like this. He has an epoxy floor, really nice. Y'all, this is a really, really nice property. You've got your garage. You've got your panels over there, hurricane panels. Looks like they got another fridge. I don't know if that conveys or not with the property. It might not stay. And then you got your access attic right up there. By the way, that's not wood laminate. That's tile floors that look like wood. Those are the best. All right, let's continue our tour. Look at all this open space, open concept. Look at this kitchen. This kitchen is amazing. You've got these beautiful countertops, quartz countertops, just hanging off right here. That kind of like waterfall finish they call. These really cool lights. I love these lights. These lights are definitely very cool, very modern look. You have your, I call them marriage saver drawers, because when you come to get a snack at like 1 in the morning, okay, don't judge me, and you go to get something and you shut the cabinet and it's not a quiet close, and you wake your wife up, yeah, well, you guys know. You've got some nice GE appliances, pantry, little breakfast nook area right here. And look at this outside. I want to show you, this is really nice too. They have some bougainvilleas put in, so for privacy. And the agent was telling me that you could get rid of all this right here. It might cost you a little bit, but get some landscapers, get rid of that, and then you could have room for a pool. So you got an area back over here, put your grill, right? Or just another table, whatever. And I believe you can put a fence, but it has to get approved by the HOA, so you have to go through the, what they call the Architectural Review Board. But I have seen some communities, the one I sold actually had a fence. So you probably could put a fence if you wanted to. And you could put a pool, but the resort clubhouse they have has everything, including pickleball. So you might not want to put a pool in, you just want to go hang out with everyone and make friends in the community, because the community like this is very sociable. That's another thing. I'm showing some people some properties tomorrow and they want very sociable communities, and that is exactly what you'll find here at Valencia Lakes. But let's go finish our tour of the home. Split bedroom plan, got your 2 bedrooms on that side, and then come in here and you got your primary, and really nice. Lots of light coming in here. Just need to put some shades, obviously. All the recessed lighting that this seller put in, really nice. Ceiling fan. You come down here, you've got a coat closet there. Another little closet, and then good size walk-in here, and another one over here. Now I shut these barn doors, or this barn door, it's a single door. I shut it because I wanted to do the big reveal. Take a look at this. I mean, this bathroom is absolutely beautiful. You got this really cool mirror. It's got the, the little heat buttons on there. You can do this, right? Light it up. And then you've got a really beautiful tub. I mean, look at this tub. The marble, really beautiful. And then look at this shower. This thing is huge. And this is cool because look, there's no nasty glass door or whatever to deal with. You just walk it in, and hey, we're getting older, right? Nothing to trip over. Just walk in. Hello. Hello. Hey, hey. I have no songs for you, but you get the point. Really, really nicely done. Beautiful house, isn't it? By the way, I want to thank Linda with Realty Home Advisors for allowing me to show her listing. Thank you, Linda. It's very nice of you. And it was fun talking to you on the phone. So, well, hey, let's go walk around the neighborhood a little bit. Let's go show you what the rest of the neighborhood looks like. And then we'll head over to the clubhouse and show you some of the amenities that you have there. All right. It's somewhat of a tolerable day for walking. It isn't raining, so I'm happy about that, but it is a little warm and humid. But let's we'll just kind of walk around, go down this street and turn the camera around. So you can see they have all these different little sections, and the homes all have like these tile roofs. And as I said, they were built by Jill Homes back in 1998. They do a great job. This has been one of the 55 and older communities I really like bringing buyers to because it's well kept. Most of these Valencias are very well kept. And they have really nice clubhouses. Now some of them are going through renovations. Like this one went through a major renovation a couple years ago, but they finished and it's all redone. So we'll go up there, and again, we'll head up there in a little bit. But beautiful neighborhood. You have a lot of full-time, but also a lot of snowbirds. So there's a lot of people here who are gone for the summer, not dealing with the heat like I am. And they'll be back here for the season when and if you turn around when the weather's cooler. So there's a lot of waterfront properties, and they have the lakes back there, so really pretty. Now there's about 9 homes for sale in Valencia Lakes as of today when I'm shooting this video. And I just showed you that one, which was just shy of $725,000. The least expensive one is priced at just under $564,000. And they're all 3-bedroom, 2-bath homes. I think there's one 4-bedroom that was on the market. But great community, and it's located off of Hagen Ranch Road, and Hagen Ranch Road, we're just south of Boynton Beach Boulevard, and we're out west. So you're close to the turnpike, you're close to Delray Market if you want to go there. I was just there with my mother-in-law and my wife. We went and saw a movie and went to a candy store. I think it's called Sugars, something like that. Got a bunch of candy, acting like kids. That was fun. Now, I don't know the total number of homes they have here, but Valencia Isles is a pretty big community. I would dare to say there's well over 1,000 homes in this community. I would think it's pretty big, and as you'll see, we'll get in the car in a minute and we'll drive. But you can see here, like, these are just some of the different little subdivisions, right? Well, not the different subdivisions, but the streets. So just giving you an idea of what streets are in here. But lots of sidewalks. This is the main road, Valencia Lakes Boulevard. So if we go down this way, we'll walk down this way because it's really nice when you first come into the community past the guard gate. It comes right down to the lake, and then you can see the clubhouse in the background, and it's really scenic. It's really pretty looking. And that's a GL thing. They're known for building these grand entrances to their communities. They do a really nice job, and the front looks just absolutely stunning. So if you've ever been down here, you'll know. If you've ever gone down either Hagen Ranch Road, going down towards Delray Beach, or you go out over on Lyons Road, where like Valencia Grand is, and a lot of the other Valencia Shores, you'll see just one massive waterfall or water fountain entrance after the other. So they look nice, but we'll just come down here and I'll show you this view, and then we'll hop in the car and head over to the clubhouse. Let me spin around. Look how pretty this is, though. Tree, big sidewalk for bike riding or exercising. Here, look at the ibis. Get some nature, and then a big water fountain, and there's the clubhouse in the background. There's the clubhouse. It's got a little beach. We'll go up there in a little bit. It's nice. Hello, bird. And then look, you want to sit here and enjoy. Try not to stab myself with the plant. Those are sharp, but this is nice. I'm gonna take a breather here for a second, and then I'll take you to the clubhouse. So sometimes these clubhouses can be a little picky about you walking in with your camera. I've taken my camera off its stand. It's small, so I'm holding it, and I'm just going to tell them I'm getting some pictures for my clients, which I am. You guys are my clients. But I'll walk through and we'll get some video as much as we can of it. So let's head inside the clubhouse. But I'll turn around. They're doing some maintenance, which always happens in the summertime. So it looks like they're working on the tennis courts right now. It looks like they're resurfacing them. So, all right, let's go take a look. Here's your entrance. Very pretty. Valencia Lakes Racket Club, pickleball and tennis. All right. So come back over here. So here's the tennis courts. In a lot of places, and I think they might be doing that on the backside. I don't know. Maybe they're doing pickleball courts over here. A lot of places have converted to pickleball courts. Yep. Clean court shoes required. There's some pickleballs. So it looks like they're resurfacing them, so they're ready for next season. See, if you come by a house from me here in Valencia Lakes, like that beautiful one I just showed you, you'll have almost brand new tennis or brand new pickleball courts waiting for you. So be sure to call my number. All my contact information is listed in the About section, or you can just reach out to this number right down here. Give old Paul a phone call. All right, let's go inside. This is nice. Very quiet. In the season, this is usually pretty full. As I said, a lot of people are, it's also hot out today, but this is a nice little area. And there's, if you look in the background, there's the entrance where I was. I was all the way at the opposite end, all the way back over there when I was pointing to the clubhouse. fitness center, nice and updated. Come in here and stay healthy, stay fit. Billiard room. Come here and play some billiards with your friends. Pretty nice. It looks like you got a league here, keeping score. Who's in the lead here? Who's taking the numbers here? Steve looks like he's doing really well. And Henry seems to be doing really well. So they have a clubhouse, but I guess it's closed. I'm not sure when it opens, but I don't know if you guys can see in there. It's probably hard, but they have a nice little clubhouse or cafe that you can come to. And then they got the swimming pool back on the other side. But this is cool. They have this little lounge here. Get some refreshments, whatnot. I guess if they want to have events. Got your trophy display. I think you guys would really like living here. So you got your room here where the ladies were just playing cards. So you can fit 32 people in there. Restroom facilities. Beautiful clubhouse. All right, so you can come over here. So they have their swimming pool out here. So there's one of the pools over there. And then here's another pool out over here. Look how pretty this is. There you go. Very nice. And you got a lap pool over here. All right, y'all. There is Valencia Lakes. What do you think? Nice community. I just met one of the nicest ladies here. She's a realtor. She's lived here for a long time. Very sweet lady. We were talking a lot. The clubhouse, or the cafe actually, is open 7 days a week, but it does close at 3 o'clock. So, but there's also a theater. They have a whole theater here for plays and shows and stuff. So you can go there, and they do a lot of entertainment there as well. So there's a whole lot to do here. And it looks like I said, they're getting the pickleball ready for next season. You got 2 nice pools, fitness center. There's even a arts and crafts room that you can go in and do some arts and crafts. So, and she says it's very social. I didn't want, obviously she was out by the pool in bathing suit. I wasn't gonna ask her to go on camera. But she said it's a super social place. There's a lot of gnats flying around. But all these bugs, it's summer, bugs, heat. But cute, very nice community, nice lady, super sweet lady. And she said it's super social here. So if that's what you're looking for, and you're in a budget of, somewhere in the 4s, upwards to the 7s, and you're looking for a 55 and older community, give me a call. I'll be happy to bring you out here. I've been here before, I've sold in here, I've brought many people here, and it's very close to the turnpike, so not so close that you hear a lot of noise, but it's close to everything, restaurants and all that. So, and you're close to Delray. Give me a call, happy to show you. If you like this video, please, this is new. I'm gonna keep trying this, keep going to more communities. Give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and tell me what you like best about this community, or if you have any questions. And with that, wherever you are in the world, get out, enjoy paradise. I'll talk to you next weekend.